4.5 points out of 5 games. He's in hot form, and his opponent is the very big blitz specialist Alexander Bortnik, who has a rating of 2748 in blitz. Magnus starts the clock.
Alright, panoorin natin ang laban ni Magnus Carlsen sa kanilang Blitz tournament laban kay Alexander Bortnik. Dito pa ginawang E3 ang opening ni Bortnik. Grabe, ginawang bata si Magnus dito. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari, no? Kung ito tortured ba ni Magnus itong ginawang kalukuhang opening ni Bortnik. Parang bata lang, no? Ginawang bata lang yung world champion. Dito parang nagiging ready opening. Yan, castle si Bortnik. Magnus, nag E5 si Magnus. Stopping the coming B5 pawn. So magandang laban to, tingnan natin. Pero hindi ko napadood sinong nanalo dito. 3 minutes po ang kanilang time. Blitz game po ito. Si Bortnik. Hindi ganong matunog ang pangalan ni Alexander Bortnik, no? Hindi kagaya na lang Caruana nila, Pirusa, Hikaru. Ito hindi siya gaanong kilala, no? Pero magaling pa rin ito, no? Kasi 2.7 ang kanyang rating. At sa pagkakalong ko si Magnus 2.8 na ata to. Grabe talaga yung rating ito for pinaka-genius sa larong chess. Isa sa ating iniidolo.
Knight to c3. Can also put his pawn on c4 and play knight c3, trying to put pressure on the a4 pawn this way. Look at the clock timing. He's playing this.
Tingnan natin kung matatalo ba niya si Magnus sa kanyang e3 opening.
He has 1 minute 56 seconds.
So nag-iisip si Bortnik ano ang kanyang isisunod na tera. Sa mga mahilig sa chess dyan, pong magandang panoorin kapag ang laban ni Magnus. Minsan si Magnus ano siya, no? Ang tawag niya, mainitin ang ulo, lalo't minsan natatalo siya talaga. Malabas minsan ang kanyang ugali. Lo, nag-e4 lang yung ano niya, pawn at e4 si e5, no? Pawn e5 si Bortnik. Inatake na yung knight ni Magnus. Tingnan natin anong gagawin nito ni Magnus. Kinain lang din par. Yan, pawn takes pawn, knight takes pawn. At umatras ang knight ni Magnus, attacking at the same time sa kanyang bishop. But kinain lang. Magnus queen takes knight. Hindi basta-basta ito matatalo si Magnus. Grabe, napaka-genius talaga ng tao to. Oh, nag-rook e1 si Bortnik. 1 minute na lang ang time ni Bortnik, samantalang 2 minutes 8 seconds si Magnus. Tayo ang difference. Five James Yunasumos.
He's so interested in this position that he's kind of taken a pawn in his hand, goes back in his chair and starts to think. That means that his time is also coming close to Bortnik's time. He goes rook a6. He stops 1 square before the rook will come to a5.
Ito yung makyat niyang rook ni Magnus.
Perhaps. Bishop e3. And Magnus jumps
Rook
in with the knight. Knight to
e5.
Great square for the knight.
Yan, umatake na.
Here on d4.
Knight at d4 si Magnus. Umakyat si Bortnik. Nag-queen d2.
Bishop e6 would be idea. e5 play.
Bortnik at queen d2.
I'll be taking back with the pawn to act as a clear also play c5.
Yan, 1 minute 4 seconds na lang si Butnik at si Magnus sumahabol din ang kanyang oras. So 1 minute 18 seconds.
Magnus's best reply to take with the queen, but he gets with the pawn.
Kilain lang par.
Knight d5.
Oh.
With the idea of knight d7 and taking with this bishop, he goes knight e4.
Bishop takes knight.
He's looking
Pawn
to
takes
force here
bishop.
on the c5 square, the
And
rook
then
and the queen.
knight at
And Magnus must
E4.
play against it. He can play rook to b6. He can play queen b5. Magnus has 1 minute
okay.
and few seconds. Botnik
Meron
has
siyang
42
double attack, no?
seconds. They've
Sa
just
C5.
made 16 moves. It's going to be
Kala ko matrap yung knight niya.
complete fight on the clock. Rook b6 attacking the
Akala ko lang pala.
defends it.
Oops.
Now can we kick the knight away? No, he goes rook b5, controlling the 5th rank. Just taking away the c5 square
Yan lang.
from the knight.
Para if ever mag E4 si Magnus, i-trap ang kanyang knight. Walang mapupuntahan.
H6 with the idea of
Pero
f5. That's